So speaking of focus on risk, so it's sort of a community of investors, founders, but with a mindset focused on risk. Can you tell us a bit more about that mindset, that philosophy? Because I thought that was pretty unique
Yeah.
to the way you approach things.
Yes. Running a hedge fund, I got to talk to a bunch of hedge fund guys and I've talked to a bunch of VCs and founders over my career. The most successful people talk about risk. You can always tell when a founder really isn't serious when you can catch them talking about like which Lamborghini they're going to buy after they do their Series B or something. So, while I think a lot of people like to talk about profit, people at the highest level are only talking about risk. And I just want to set the tone of the event right away so people know what's going to be happening at this event. You're not going to see us talking about how we're going to spend money if something happens. We can't control that. We can't control if that thing happens, but you can control your risk. And that's the whole point of the group, is to focus on what you can control. If we can control our profit, we would all be trillionaires, right? Or whatever's bigger than that. But like I said, you can't focus on that. You can't focus on profit. You got to really be focusing on your risk. And I think that's where a lot of people go wrong in the stock market, in startups, in private equity. Whenever they lose sight of risk management is when things blow up.